यादें 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 रह जाती हैं, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती हैं, बस यादें। पुरानी जीन्स और गिटार, मोहल्ले की वो छत और मेरे यार, वो रातों को जागना, सुबह घर जाना, कूद के दीवार, वो सिगरेट पीना गली में जाके, वो करना दांतों को घड़ी घड़ी साफ, पहुंचना कॉलेज हमेशा लेट, वो कहना सर का get out from the class, वो बाहर जाके हमेशा कहना यहाँ का सिस्टम ही है खराब, वो जाके कैंटीन में टेबल बजा के वो गाने गाना यारों के साथ, बस यादें 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 रह जाती है, कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती हैं, बस यादें 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 रह जाती। छोटू ताकिट ताकिट दी, छोटू ताकिट ताकिट दी, छोटू ताकिट ताकिट दी, ताकिट 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 ता, छोटू ताकिट ताकिट ता, छोटू ताकिट ताकिट ता, छोटू ताकिट ताकिट ता, छोटू ताकिट दिबे ताकिट छोटू दिबे ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दिबे ताकिट छोटू दिबे ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दिबे ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दिबे ताकिट छोटू ताकिट 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 दी, ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दी, ताकिट ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दी, ताकिट ताकिट छोटू ताकिट दी, ताकिट ताकिट छोटू दी, ताकिट 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 छोटू दी, ताकिट दी, ताकिट 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 दी, ताकिट दी, ताकिट ताकिट छोटू ताकिट तांग ताकिट तांग ताकिट।
Good morning from Namma, Bengaluru. A very good morning to all of you and welcome to the Bong Wanderers channel. If you are our subscribers, then a heartfelt thank you to you. If you are yet to subscribe us, then what are you waiting for? Quickly subscribe us, because this is the channel where you get candid content on road trips, the journey, the route, the breaks that you can take, tips on road trips, and also a very honest review on the place of stays, no matter what kind of a star that property has. So if you have been following us, you know that the Bong Wanderers has set off for their southern sojourn on 24th of November. Today it is day 15. Yes, we have been on the road for 15 days in the southern part of India, where our aim through southern sojourn was to explore the southern part of India, promote Incredible India, promote pet travel, and promote road trips. So we are at Bengaluru now. We reached Bengaluru yesterday night. The reason Bengaluru is our last stop, you have to watch our vlog that we have published for our journey from Coimbatore to Bengaluru. So now we are in Bengaluru, and no, we are not here for sightseeing. We are here to catch up with our old friends, make our son see some of the places with which we have loads and loads of memories, and then say adieu to southern sojourn and head back to our home, Hyderabad. So stay with us for the next 2 days as we go in and around Bengaluru and take you along with us. So it's 3 p.m. We are now back on the roads of Bangalore, and we have plans to take our son.
निकलते ही रुक गया ट्रैफिक में, निकलते ही रुक गया.
So we want to show different places, in and around Bangalore to our son, and show him our college, our hostel if possible, where we used to stay. Yeah, so the building which is supposedly our hostel. So all those things we want to
Talking
show.
about 18 years back stuff.
don't even know today if it exists or not.
in what shape and size they are. But no, I mean, it was a pretty famous college, and I mean, we don't know if the hostels are still in the same place, but I'm sure the college is still there. So basically, yeah, and also show him some some streets which are very dear to us. MG Road, Commercial Street in Bangalore. Bangaloreans are very familiar to that. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. We have no plans. We have made no plans, because sometimes that's how you should be. You should not make too much of plans only to for the plans to fail. We'll just take the day as it goes. It's a day to chill. Tomorrow we have plans to meet some friends. We actually wanted to meet a lot of friends. I wanted to meet a very dear friend of mine, but I would not be able to meet her. At least meeting some of the friends, if not all, because of the limited time. So advance apologies to all other friends in Bangalore who probably would come to know that we were in Bangalore through this vlog, because we haven't informed everyone. So let's see.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने
Our college, the left side.
बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Nostalgic moment for us. Just come here to see our college from where, huh?
After 20 years.
After 20 years, have lots of memories. Some good ones, some not so good ones. It's the salt and pepper memory. Nice to see, and nice walk down memory lane.
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
Can't even Venkateshwara bar and restaurant কলেজের পাশে কি অবস্থা
How did they even allow this to happen?
কি অবস্থা সব নতুন এভরিথিং ইজ নিউ
वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
নাচা বেকারি
কোথায়?
बिगड़े हुए इंसान थे शैतान की संतान थे
দ্যাটস দ্য গার্লস হস্টেল তুই অবভিয়াসলি ওদের একটু যেতে পারবো না আমরা গাড়ি নিয়ে গেলে আমি ঠিকই জায়গায় আমি বলেছিলাম এটাই হচ্ছে তোর গার্লস হস্টেল ঠিক বলে এইটা নতুন হয়েছে
But did we pass by this road?
ইয়েস উই পাস বাই দিস রোড এখানে তো আমি বললাম জাস্ট এই সিকিউরিটি কে
এই তো, এটাই তো hostel.
এটাই
হ্যাঁ, this is the hostel.
हो लेकिन ब्रदर जो भी कहो वो यार ही तो जान थे कॉलेज की कुड़ी से करने आंखें चार के दिन थे आए जिंदगी में पहले पहले प्यार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे
So we went to see our college, we went to see our hostel, and then a very special temple that holds a very dear place to our hearts. Our close friends know the reason. So we had a beautiful walk down the memory lane through different streets in Bengaluru, and now we have stopped for a quick tea break at this lovely place called HHI Select. And the cherry on the cake is that it's a pet friendly cafe, so all of us could sit here and enjoy our evening cuppa. Okay, so a nice, and it's very beautifully lit up. So the staff is friendly, warm, and very caring towards pet. Good morning. Today is 9th December, day 16 of our southern sojourn, and also the last but one day of our road trip. Tomorrow we are heading back to Hyderabad. We are staying at Taj West End in Bengaluru, and right now it's morning 9:15. We will be heading for breakfast. We want to start our day today with breakfast and then head towards to a friend's place, because one of the reasons of coming to Bengaluru was also to meet some of the old friends, if not all. So yeah, heading to a friend's place. So yesterday, which was actually our day 15, couldn't close the day with you guys, because we were super tired sitting in a car in Bangalore traffic. So on our way back, it was like a 14 kilometers way back to the hotel, but it took us almost 2 hours thanks to the Bangalore traffic. And then it was a bit late, and our son was hungry, so we had to rush back to the dining place to give him food. So in all this, we kind of missed to close the day for you, but that's how we ended our day. So today, let's see how the day goes. Stay with us and be their part of the journey. So it's 11:30 and we are heading to our friend's place. We were supposed to start at 11. Got a bit delayed as usual, but this time for a reason I was actually taking a tour of the property and trying to see in and around the property. It's a huge property, a heritage one, extremely beautifully landscaped, well kept and maintained. You will get to see all those details in our property tour of Taj West End, but that took us quite some time and we got a bit delayed. You have a grumpy husband for that. But now we are rushing back to our friend's place. We wanted to reach there early so that we can spend most of the time, because we do not have all day. We have to we also have plans to go to his college from there, because we want to show our son his father's college. So, and then if time permits, meet another friend. We would be
Not college, business school.
yeah
Business school. College we have done yesterday.
Yeah, we're going to
yeah
do something new.
so so then if time permits, we have plans to meet another friend. We would be probably breaking the hearts of several other friends whom we will not be able to meet, but what to do, it is what it is. We have limited time. Hope we come back again individually or as a family and get to meet the ones we couldn't meet. Let's see how the day goes. Stay with us. So we are at our friend's place right now. It was earlier Samrat's friend, but then became my friend Charan and his wife Gargi. So now they are family friends, and we are at their beautiful house, and do not want to share much of the information, but just a quick look at their house and having a beautiful time with Charan, Gargi and their cute son Kabira. And by the way, here is the best part. We also have Angel with us. So it's a complete family trip to one of our closest friends in Bangalore. So the kids having a fun time. This is Kabira, and that's Bong Wanderers member. They are having a great time, and it's good to see, the kids bonding, because not something.
Excuse me, he's hiding in the cupboard now.
Okay, looks like Kabira is camera shy. So this is Gargi and her beautiful kitchen, and they have a beautiful house. And look at this place. This is like a in-house restaurant, if I may say. It's beautiful, and Angel seems to be pretty settled down over here. You want to stay here? Yes? So meeting after 4 years. Don't know when we will meet in person. Though soon. Yeah, fingers crossed. So had a lovely time. This is my friend Gargi, still in Bangalore, having a great time between masters. Yeah, you want to say something?
Wait for me to
Share their subscribe to their channel and share it.
This is how you misuse your friends.
Hi.
So now heading to see Samrat's college.
College nostalgia. Nostalgia.
So yesterday we went to see our graduation college, and my graduation as well as post-graduation college. Today we are going to see Samrat's business school, taking the kids, friends' kid also in the same car, so that the kids can spend some time together.
Hi.
Hi, peace.
I'm drawing something.
And our Bangalore journey continues.
यादें रह जाती हैं कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें रह जाती हैं बस यादें
This road used to be a jungle road, and me and Charan, we used to ride our bikes from our apartment to the college, okay, to our business school. And our business school used to get over around 8 o'clock, 8:30 p.m. Okay,
In the
evening, some days, not every day. And that time there used to be nothing on the road, absolutely nothing,
And
Only-
no light.
no light. And you know what we used to do? We used to switch off our headlights of the motorbikes and we used to ride in darkness, absolute darkness.
You do have helmet?
Yes, helmets, yes. Both of us used to wear helmets, but we used to love that feeling. Research Championship. Yeah?
At Samrat's college, and more than Samrat, our Angel has become the local celebrity.
Where is Kaviran?
Attention is pouring in, as well as love for her. And as much as she's not, looks like she's not interested, but she's getting a lot of attraction and love. Look at the audience in attendance.
उसको लग रहा होगा अचानक कितना अच्छा जगह आ गया कि आई कैन गो रोम
चरण अपना कौन सा ऑडिटोरियम थी, ये वाला था, ये वाला था?
She's getting a lot of attention and love. She has become a celebrity right now. In our road trip, wherever she has gone, she has garnered attention and love from
बड़ा वाला ऑडिटोरियम वो
everyone.
वाला था. मैं ऑलवेज आई कैन गेट.
आई रिमेम्बर चंदू सर के क्लास में रूल होता था कि आइदर द सॉक्स विल ऑफ योर ट्राउजर कलर और द शूज कलर.
और अपना
इफ यू
क्या
वेयर व्हाइट,
गंदा शर्ट होता था.
समवन हु वेयर व्हाइट, माइकल जैक्सन, प्लीज लीव द रूम.
ए अपना क्या गंदा शर्ट होता था, वो येलो कलर शर्ट.
ओह दैट वाज दैट कॉलेज यूनिफॉर्म. दैट
येलो शर्ट एंड येलो
येलो
tie.
गोल्डन, नो गोल्डन को अगर गोल्डन हटा दो, दैट वन वाज द कलर. एंड एनी इवेंट विल हैपन, एनी ऑफिशियल थिंग, वी आर सपोज्ड टू वेयर दैट विद गोल्डन टाई. या वी हैड गोल्डन टाई.
योर साड़ी कलर वाज द टाई.
या Yes, again black तुम लोग का हो गया.
हम लोग गिनी पिक थे. जो भी torture
Experiment.
वो अपने ऊपर हो गया.
No, but we were the, like changing also, na? You remember one of the guys in our we were like someone was expelled or suspended, and we like no, we will not attend the class, and everyone, and we sat in front of the office for full day. But we are not on bhook hartal. We are eating everything we are doing. We are taking our fag breaks. Everything was happening, but we were like, no, not going to.
Those were days, yeah. Professors and students used to have fact breaks together. Those were the discussion points.
No, that's what we are saying. We know all the corners. Which
Sudhir
corners?
sir, me and Sudhir sir, there. और लास्ट में तो रूल बन गया ना कि यहाँ पे नहीं कर सकते हो तो
Correct.
भागो.
Bhago.
Oh, those were days.
Okay, so it's 6:15 PM and we are having tea at
Vaishnavi Palace.
Vaishnavi Palace. I don't know if you can read.
Kanakpura Road.
It's on Kanakpura Road. And before we say our final goodbyes, we are just catching up on a cup of tea. And what is this? Paddu. Recommended by Gargi. So we just reached hotel from our friend's place. It's 7:30 now. Really wanted to meet another very dear friend of mine, but unfortunately couldn't connect with her on time. But nevertheless, friends are always in your heart. So hope we meet next time. Spending some beautiful moment in the garden with the little one, and it's beautifully lit up with Christmas lights, and this is the Christmas tree. So enjoying it to the fullest.
वो पापा का डांटना, वो कहना मम्मी का छोड़े जिया, तुम्हें तो बस नजर आता.
Subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to turn on the notifications and press the bell button. Bye.